Now let's take a look at a form once a student has filled it in. In this example, the form has been sent to one student. If the form had been sent to, say, 5 students, it would say 1 out of 5 here, and you would move along to the next student using the next response arrows. At the moment, the score is 4 out of a possible 7 points. 1 point, feedback, points, feedback. All text-based questions have to be manually graded. You do this by clicking in the box, either typing in or changing the score with the drop-down arrows. You can then add individual feedback and press save. If you go up to the top, you'll now notice there's 7 out of 7. And save the changes. If you attached a sheet to your form, your sheet will be scoring all your data and storing it in your Google Drive. When you set up your form, if you made email a required element, you will also see the email address in one of the columns. This needed to be done when you were setting up the form.